hope you all are well. I am an official member of FOREX BD. Today I will share a popular and most important strategies in Forex, that is candlestick pattern. Earlier we also shared two videos for you with candlestick pattern and we got a lot of response from you from those videos, and we said that we would do the third part if we get your response and support from you, and you requested us for third part, so to keep that request we bought the third part on candlestick pattern. So those who can't make money from Forex or those who want to learn new good strategy can follow this strategy. And I request you to watch the video patiently till the end, and if there is any noise like someone watching TV or someone browsing Facebook, please stop those. And those who want to learn this strategy but have not seen our previous two videos on candlestick pattern must watch those two videos. Otherwise this video will not be easy to understand, because in the first video we have fully discussed the identify of candlestick, general knowledge of candlestick. Missing those videos, it can be difficult to understand. So be sure to take a look. So before going to the main video, I would like to say those who want to learn Forex best strategy can follow this playlist. Here you will catch all types of strategy, and here is Forex BD's another new channel. I would like to request you, please subscribe this channel. You will catch awesome video from this channel. And those who don't subscribe our Forex BD, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update, because your one subscribe can inspire us a lot. So let's go.
The green candle you see here is called the bullish candle. The bullish candle starts from the bottom, so it's called opening, and this candle goes up and ends, so the last place is called closing. And the rest of the spots you can see here are called shadow, and the coloring side is real body. Again, the red candle you see is called bearish candle. The bearish candle starts from the top bottom, so it's called opening, and this candle goes down and ends, so the last place is called closing. Basically, by which candle market goes up is called bullish candle, and by which candle market goes down is called bearish candle, and the colorful part is called real body. You can make any color on the candle. We are using red and green color to show you. Squeezy alert bullish. In a downtrend market, after a strong bearish candle, if two candles make and those are smaller than the previous candle and remains within previous candle, then this combination is called squeezy alert bullish. This pattern provides a uptrend reversal signal. Squeezy alert bearish. If after a strong bullish candle in an uptrend market, two candles are made which are smaller than the previous one and are within its range, then this combination is called squeezy alert bullish. This pattern provides a downtrend reversal signal. Hook reversal bullish. In a downtrend market, if there is a bullish candle after a large bearish candle whose high and low are limited to high and low of the previous bearish candle, then the combination of these two candles is called hook reversal bullish. I say again, in a downtrend market, if there is a bullish candle after a large bearish candle, high and low of the previous bearish candle, then the combination of those two candles is called hook reversal bullish. This pattern provides a uptrend reversal signal. Hook reversal bearish. In a uptrend market, if there is a bearish candle after a big bullish candle whose high and low are limited to high and low of the previous bullish candle, then the combination of these two candles is called hook reversal bearish. I say again, if there is a bearish candle after a big bullish candle whose high and low are limited to high and low of the previous bullish candle, then the combination of these two candles is called hook reversal bearish. This pattern provides a downtrend reversal signal. Above the stomach. In any downtrend market, if there is a bullish candle after a bearish candle whose opening starts above half of the body of the previous bearish candle, I say again, whose opening starts above half of the body of the previous candle, then this combination is called above the stomach. This pattern provides a uptrend reversal signal. Below the stomach. If there is a bearish candle
after a bullish candle in an uptrend market whose opening start below half of the body of the previous candle. I say again, whose opening start below half of the body of the previous candle, then this combination is called below the stomach. This pattern provides a downtrend reversal signal. Big white candle. A very large green candle with big upper shadow and lower shadow is called big white candle. After the advent of this kind of candle, the market usually gives an uptrend reversal signal. So this pattern provides a uptrend reversal signal. Big black candle. A very large red candle with big upper shadow and lower shadow is called big black candle. The market usually provides a downtrend reversal signal after the advent of such a candle. So this pattern provides a downtrend reversal signal. White Marubozu. If there is no shadow of even a small amount of a candle, that candlestick is called Marubozu. The candlestick is whose opening price equal low and closing price equal high is called white Marubozu. Usually when white Marubozu bullish appears in the market, uptrend continuation is maintained in the market. Black Marubozu. If there is no shadow of even a small amount of a candle, that candlestick is called Marubozu. The candlestick that has opening price equal high and closing price equal low is called black Marubozu. Usually when black Marubozu bearish appears on the market maintains downtrend continuation. Now the question may come to your mind, how to remember so many candles? Yes, we have shared many candlestick patterns including the previous two videos and today's video, which will be hard for many to remember. So I will request you watch the video again and again, because once you watch it, you will not be able to remember it. So watch it a few times with patience and then practice, and each candle make a shape. Now will you trade after each candle is made? No, you have to trade with support, resistance and trend. Otherwise you will not get any good feedback. After making a candle, you have to see support, resistance or trend. Only trade if you have support and resistance or trend. Now you can see on the screen that the market made a candle that is in resistance. So you can trade such a placement. Now you can see market make a shape in a support. So in this placement and such a placement, you can trade easily and you can profit. So viewers, a humble request to you, if you like this video, please share it and give us a like. It motivates us to make more awesome videos for you. And if you have any request, please write down in comment box. For gaining profit, you have to choose a good broker house, because they have much spread and fee in market maker broker house. You will finish yourself by paying their fee and spread. So create your account in good broker. We suggest some broker. First one is IC Market, the true ECN. Second one is Tickmill, they have zero spread. Third one is HotForex, a right broker in Forex market. In 3 account, verification system are same, so you can upload your document in 3 account. Which broker approve your account first, you should deposit on that account. Good broker's policy is also good, so you need to verify first. Verify your account by your document. For your account safety, you have to create your account with strong reference. If you create your account by FOREX BD's link, you will get benefit. FOREX BD can help you if you face any problem. If you create your skill and natal account by FOREX BD's link, you can verify your account without any deposit. There will be less transfer fee. So create your any types of account by FOREX BD's link. Those who want Forex related English video, they can go to playlist. There have a playlist where all video in English.
You will get all link in video description.
So viewers, if you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon for never miss any update. Like, comment and share this video. If you have any request, write down in comment box. FOREX BD obviously try to fulfill your request. So be safe, be healthy, be with us. Goodbye, tata.